Hey everybody, Don the Anti-Chef here. I'm just here to give out a quick message saying thank you. The Anti-Chef and Don's Empty Kitchen is 1 month old. It's going great. I've learned so much in this past month. And after a month of learning curve and getting comfortable in front of the camera again and actually provide some helpful information and do it in a way that's entertaining to you. So, thank you to my 51 subscribers so far, and that's amazing. Thank you. And and we've just going up. We're on our way up. We have learned how to use like Reddit and Twitter and more Facebook and so many other little programs I had no idea how to use. And I've gotten positive emails from the Ottawa Food Bank. I've gotten a positive email from the Ottawa Mission. I've gotten positive emails from all my friends telling me, good work. Keep up the good work. That's a great idea. Doing a channel to help poor people cook better, and stretch their food. That's an awesome idea. And I thought so too. And I feel sorry for my poor friends on Facebook because they get bombarded with all the messages and everything I do always connects back to Facebook. So, like, I'll spend the whole day promoting the channel and everything goes back to Facebook. So I feel sorry for my friends and I'm thankful that I haven't lost any. But I want to thank all of you guys for watching, and I really appreciate it. And I hope I can help, and hopefully I'll bring you some entertaining content in the future and now. Because in the past month we've upgraded our cameras. We've got a camera donated from an organization. I'm not at liberty to say names. And I got tripods donated. I got all kinds of some. I got some lighting and some lighting donated, and everything's looking up. Everything's working its way up. So thank you very much, everyone. It's been a hell of a month, and it's only getting better from here. So, thank you, take care, and remember, you guys have value, you have worth, and you deserve a place in this world. So, find that one thing that's going to get you out of bed in the morning and do it. And don't let anybody tell you any differently either. Okay, I'm Don the Anti Chef, and this is the Empty Kitchen. And we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.